Good morning. This is Dr. Reveles with a chemistry problem related to density of a metal using the unit cell dimensions. We have here a cube. This is a face center cubic for nickel. And the question is find the density given one side, the dimension, which is the side of the cube, 352.4 picometers. Okay, because the question is find the density. Here I have the formula. Density is mass over volume. So we need to find both things. What is the mass and what is the volume of this cube? Okay, let's start saying that the mass of the cube will be, we'll start saying how many atoms are in this cube. Well, we can see there are 8 corners, and each corner counts for 1/8. So let's say 8 corners, 1/8, plus we have 6 faces on this cube, and each of those faces accounts for 1/2. So we add them up, we say we have 4 atoms, 4 nickel atoms in this cube. So now the question is, what is the mass of these 4 nickel atoms? So for nickel, I'm going to use Avogadro's number, which is saying 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd nickel are in 1 mole of nickel. And then using the molar mass, here given the molar mass of nickel, 1 mole of nickel is 58.68 grams of nickel. Okay, multiply this, we get the mass, which is 3.898 times 10 to the negative 22 grams. Remember, that is a very small mass because we are counting what is the mass of 4 nickel atoms, which is the mass of this cube. Okay, the second thing we need to find out is the volume. So the volume is, for a cube, is d to the cube. Volume is side times side times side, d to the cube. Just take in consideration that d has to be in centimeters because the question is what is the density in cubic centimeters, grams per cubic centimeters. So we are given d in picometers, which is 10 to the negative 12 meters. So when 1 picometer is 10 to the negative 12 meters. So I'm going to change that to centimeters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So that will give me 3.524 times 10 to the negative 8 centimeters. Okay, we substitute that here. The cube now becomes 4.376 times 10 to the negative 23 centimeters cube. Okay, we're ready to find the density, which is the problem given density is mass over volume. We have already those in the right units. Let's see, the mass is in grams, the volume is in cubic centimeters, and our answer is going to be 8.908 grams per cubic centimeter. I just want to take into account that this has 4 significant figures, as well as this has 4 significant figures, which comes from here, right? So our molar mass has 4 significant figures, and this has also 4 significant figures. Okay, so that's the answer of what is the density of nickel, provided that tell us that this is a face center cubic unit cell. And again, we calculate the density as mass per volume. We find both of them. What is the mass of 4 nickel atoms? What is the volume in cubic centimeters? Get the ratio, and that's the answer. Okay, thank you for watching.